Had some technical difficulties with my camera. So this is a little fast forward of some quick ingredients. Nice quick stir fry. It was absolutely fantastic. We got snap peas, peppers, chicken tenderloin. Gotta have some carrots, onions, garlic. There's a few ingredients that didn't make it into this shot. Some soy sauce, lo mein. Cooking up the nice and well-seasoned chicken tenderloin. Second round, second batch. Gotta use the wok. #1 kitchen toy. Quick and easy. Putting up some more lo mein here. Saute some more of our vegetables. And this is the finishing shot. A lot of camera issues. Still an amazing dish. I wasn't going to post this, but I'm glad I did. Thanks for watching. The dish turned out amazing. Keep an eye out for some more content from us coming soon. Be well, be safe, stay hungry.